Bitcoin mining is the process by which new bitcoins are created and transactions are recorded and verified on the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that contains the record of all transactions that have ever occurred on the network. In order to maintain the integrity of the blockchain, Bitcoin miners must verify and record transactions on the network. This process is known as mining because it requires a significant amount of computing power to solve complex mathematical problems. The process of mining involves using specialized computer hardware to solve complex mathematical problems, known as hashes, in order to create new blocks on the blockchain. Each time a miner successfully solves a hash, they are awarded a certain number of bitcoins as a reward. As the network grows and the difficulty of mining increases, the amount of computing power required to solve a single hash also increases. One of the key benefits of Bitcoin mining is that it is decentralized. Unlike traditional financial institutions, which are controlled by a small group of individuals, the Bitcoin network is powered by a global network of miners. This decentralized structure ensures that no single person or group has control over the network. As the popularity of Bitcoin has grown, so has the competition among miners. In the early days of Bitcoin, it was possible for individual miners to compete with one another using standard computer hardware. However, as the network has grown and the difficulty of mining has increased, it has become increasingly difficult for individual miners to compete. As a result, many miners have joined forces and formed mining pools. These pools combine the computing power of many miners in order to increase their chances of solving a hash and earning a reward. The reward is then distributed among the members of the pool according to their contributions. In order to start mining bitcoins, you will need to invest in specialized computer hardware known as an ASIC, Application-Specific Integrated Circuit miner. These devices are specifically designed to mine bitcoins and are much more efficient than traditional computer hardware. Additionally, you will need to join a mining pool, which is a group of miners who combine their computing power in order to increase their chances of solving a hash and earning a reward. Once you have your hardware and have joined a mining pool, you can start mining by running the appropriate software on your computer. The software will connect you to the mining pool and begin solving hashes. As you solve hashes, your mining pool will record your contributions and distribute rewards to you accordingly. While mining pools have made it easier for individuals to compete, they have also centralized the mining process to a certain extent. A small number of mining pools now control a significant portion of the network's computing power. This has led to concerns about the potential for these pools to exercise too much control over the network. As the network grows and the supply of bitcoins becomes limited, the reward for mining will decrease. This is by design, as it helps to control the supply of bitcoins and prevent inflation. Eventually, the reward will reach zero, and the only incentive for miners will be the transaction fees associated with each transaction. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, there are several other reasons why people choose to mine bitcoins. For some, it is a hobby or a way to learn about blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. For others, it is a way to generate passive income or to hedge against inflation. One of the key benefits of mining is that it allows individuals to participate in the Bitcoin network without having to rely on banks or other financial institutions. This is particularly appealing to those who are skeptical of traditional financial systems or who live in countries with unstable currencies. Mining can also provide a source of income for those who have the necessary hardware and expertise. The value of bitcoins has been volatile, but it has also increased significantly over time. This means that those who mine and hold on to their bitcoins for the long term have the potential to earn significant returns. However, it is important to note that mining is not without its risks. The value of bitcoins can fluctuate wildly, and there is no guarantee that you will earn a profit. Additionally, the cost of mining can be significant, as it requires specialized hardware and a significant amount of electricity. Furthermore, the mining industry is highly competitive, and it is becoming increasingly difficult for individual miners to compete with large mining pools. As a result, many people choose to join mining pools in order to increase their chances of success. One of the biggest challenges facing the mining industry is the growing competition. As the network has grown and the difficulty of mining has increased, the amount of computing power required to successfully mine bitcoins has also increased. This has led to an arms race among miners, as they compete to build the most powerful and efficient mining rigs. The increasing competition has also led to concerns about the environmental impact of mining. The energy consumption of the Bitcoin network has been growing rapidly, and it is now estimated to be on par with the energy consumption of countries like Switzerland and the Netherlands. This has raised concerns about the sustainability of the network and the potential for it to contribute to climate change. In response to these challenges, some miners have begun to explore alternative methods of mining. For example, some miners are turning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, in order to reduce their carbon footprint. Others are exploring ways to make the mining process more efficient, such as by using specialized chips that are designed to be more energy efficient. In addition to these challenges, it is also important for miners to keep an eye on regulatory developments. The use of cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin in particular, is still a relatively new and unregulated area. As a result, there is a lot of uncertainty about how governments and regulatory bodies will approach the industry. Despite these concerns, mining remains a crucial part of the Bitcoin network. It provides the necessary security and decentralization that are essential for the network to function properly. Without mining, the network would be vulnerable to attacks, and the integrity of the blockchain would be compromised. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining is a crucial part of the Bitcoin network. It allows for the decentralized verification of transactions and the creation of new Bitcoins. By investing in specialized hardware and joining a mining pool, anyone can participate in the mining process and help to support the network. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related videos like this.